Hello? Oh, hi, didn't see you there. You ever wonder how to make your audio sound like it's coming over a phone call? Well, you don't need macros or special effects or anything. You do, however, need Audacity and FFmpeg installed and working. Only thing you need to do is create your audio and then export it in the AMR narrowband format. This is either the exact same codec or it's based on, but I think it's actually the exact same codec that's used in modern day cell phone networks. Not the HD calls, but just the regular fallback codec that's been around for quite a long time. Here's how some other audio samples sound in this codec.
I love you, baby, but all I can think about is chill box and sausage, your butt cheeks is warm.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fond du Lac County in east-central Wisconsin, east-central Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Sheboygan County in east-central Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Markesan to 6 miles east of Waterloo, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour.
If you or a loved one have interacted with the GWES EAS Relay Network, you may be entitled to financial compensation. Every year, EARN participants are murdered in BeamMP by NetOps. For just 17 cents a day, you can save an innocent participant.